Welcome to this Rental Property Tracker Plus tutorial, which includes step-by-step directions for creating rental unit and tenant records and using Rental Income Tracker. First, create unit records for each of your units. Start by choosing Rental Unit Tracker from the Rental Property Tracker menu on the welcome screen. Then click the New button. A Rental Units window will open that lists your buildings and units. In this software, units are buildings or parts of buildings that are available for rent. For this example, we have 3 buildings, including 2 houses, one with only 1 unit and one with 6 units. We also have a condo with 2 units, so there are 2 multiple unit buildings and 9 units represented here. If you have one or more multiple unit buildings, click Add Building in the lower left corner of the rental unit screen. You will be asked for the name of the building. We'll start with the Beach Condo. Then you will be asked to pick a unit type. The choices are apartment, house, room, unit, or other. We'll call these units. Next, we'll add the other building with the multiple units and call it Ocean House. We'll call these apartments. To add a unit to a building, click the name of an existing building and then click Add Units. You will be asked if you want to add 1 or more than 1 units to the building. If your units are sequentially numbered, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you can use the more than 1 feature. If they are not sequential or have alpha designations, such as 1A, 2B, cottage, etc., then you must use the Just One button. First, we'll add the upstairs unit for the Beach Condo. After adding a new unit, you should fill in the address. And then specify a manager. After creating the first unit, you will be asked if there is only one manager for all the units. If you click Yes, the manager will be automatically added to subsequent new units. Next, you will be asked for the owner and if this is the only owner for all units. If you click Yes, the owner will then be added automatically to subsequent new units. Next, you will be asked for the kind of property, for example, apartment, building, condos, cabanas, etc. Next, we'll add the downstairs unit for the Beach Condo. This address may need to be edited. Note that the manager and the owner have been automatically filled in. Now let's add the 6 units to the Ocean House. If you choose the more than 1 feature, you will be asked for the number of the first and then the last unit in the building. You will next be asked for the street address, which will be appended with the apartment or room number and entered into the first line of the address field. Next, you will be asked for the city, state, and zip code, which will also be added to the address field on the new rental unit record. Then you will be asked for the kind of property. As you can see, the software has created 6 units for this building. If you have a single unit building, such as a house, you do not need to add a building and can just click Add Unit. As when you choose the Just One option, you will only be asked for the name of the new unit. We'll call it the Beach House. Then you will need to fill in the rest of the required information for the new rental unit record. Use the Find Unit button to quickly locate another unit. If you want to change the name of a unit for some reason, you can click the Unit Identification field on the unit record and choose Change this unit's name. Or you can click New, select the unit, and then click Modify Unit. We suggest you create all unit records first and then assign units to the tenant tracker records as you create them. However, it is possible to create tenants and assign them to units by clicking the Add Select Tenant button. Click the Notes tab to add notes about the unit or to add or select a manager. Click the Unit Cost tab to record financial information about the unit or building. You do not need to keep track of the unit cost for each unit of a multi-unit building. This section is optional.